This simple guide will show you how to copy a background to other slides in PowerPoint. Whether you're creating a presentation for work, school, or a personal project, having a consistent background can help your slides look more professional and cohesive. Let's dive right in and make your presentation stand out with a uniform design. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and navigate to the slide that has the background you want to use throughout your presentation. This could be any slide that you've customized with a specific color, gradient, or image. Once you've located that slide, look for an empty space on the slide itself. This is important because you want to click on the background and not on any text or image elements that might be on the slide. Now, right-click on this empty area of the slide background. When you do this, a menu will pop up with several different options. From this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Format Background. Clicking this option will open a new sidebar panel on the right side of your PowerPoint window. This panel is where you can make all sorts of customizations to your slide's background, but today we're focusing on copying what you've already got. In this sidebar, you'll see various settings related to the background. Take a moment to glance through them if you're curious. But our focus is on a specific button located at the very bottom of this panel. It's called Apply to All. This button is your magic wand for ensuring that every single slide in your presentation adopts the same background as the one you're currently on. Go ahead and click Apply to All. It's as simple as that. After you've clicked the button, you can close the panel. What you've just done is applied the exact color, gradient, or background image from your chosen slide to every slide in your entire presentation. This ensures that each slide maintains the same visual style, providing a seamless transition from one slide to the next. This consistency helps in keeping your audience focused on your content rather than being distracted by varying backgrounds. And there you have it. You've successfully copied a slide background to all other slides in your PowerPoint presentation. It's a quick and effective way to maintain a professional look throughout your work. Remember, a consistent design not only looks good, but also enhances the clarity and impact of your message. If you found this guide helpful, consider exploring more tips and tricks to elevate your PowerPoint skills. Thank you for watching, and happy presenting.